Embark on a captivating journey into the world of artisanal cheese crafting in our video, Artisanal Cheese Crafting, exploring traditional methods and unique varieties. Join us as we delve into the rich history and intricate techniques behind creating exceptional cheeses from scratch. From selecting the finest ingredients to mastering the delicate art of curdling and molding, we'll guide you step by step through the cheese-making process. Discover how different milk types, aging durations, and flavoring agents influence the final product. Witness the alchemy of turning milk into curds and whey, and learn the secrets of curd manipulation to achieve distinct textures. Explore traditional cheese-making methods such as cheddar, brie, and Gouda, and gain insights into the fascinating science and craftsmanship behind them. Venture beyond the basics and witness innovative techniques like infusing cheeses with herbs, spices, and fruits for a modern twist on classic varieties. Craft and mold intricate cheese shapes, demonstrating how presentation enhances the aesthetic appeal of your culinary creations. Discuss the significance of aging and affinage, offering tips on creating a controlled environment that nurtures cheese development. Learn how to create the perfect aging conditions, and witness the evolution of flavors and textures over time. Whether you're an aspiring cheese enthusiast or a seasoned home cook seeking to elevate your culinary repertoire, this video promises to inspire and educate. Uncover the artistry, tradition, and passion behind artisanal cheese crafting and explore the endless possibilities of creating your own unique cheeses.